Welcome to the Armani Talks podcast. I'm your host, Armani Talks. In this podcast, I'm helping you level up your 5 soft skills: public speaking, storytelling, social dynamics, emotional intelligence, and creativity. 5 soft skills for you to change your life forever, skyrocket your confidence along the way. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about how to improve our speaking voice in an unorthodox sort of way. We're going to be reading fiction books out loud. Now wait, you may be like, fiction books? Why would I possibly read fiction books when I can read non-fiction books? Here's the reason why. It's because you may dislike your voice for a variety of reasons, and one of the reasons may be because you feel like you're monotoned. There's not enough emotions in your voice. Well, you're in luck, because with fiction books, the authors are going out of their way to embody this book with a bunch of different human emotions. As you are reading these different chapters out loud, you'll notice that these chapters have a different theme in them. Some of the chapters, they're pretty damn serious. Some of the other chapters, they're pretty damn lighthearted. And by reading these different chapters out loud, what starts to happen with us is that we start to build this proficiency towards unlocking the different levels of our voice. Now, the voice is no longer this random blob that we have. Instead, it becomes this amazing musical instrument that can change our life forever. Our voice is our brand. And by the way, did you know that people in the old school days, they didn't read mentally? Rather, they read out loud. It's mainly because books weren't reserved for everyone. It was only for a few groups of people: the powerful, the royal, and the well-connected. And for those people that ended up getting the books, they didn't try to hide it. It was a status symbol. They wanted to show it off. And that's why they read out loud. I propose that we go back to the past and we implement the same exact strategy. Find a fiction book and do your best to breathe life into the different words, and you'll start to unlock the different emotions within your voice, aka your number one musical instrument. If you want more practical insights like this into improving your communication skills, be sure to check out Speak Easy: How to Be More Articulate, Assertive, and Audacious Around People. In this book, you're going to learn how to improve your speaking voice, how to gather more content to speak about, and different innovative ways on how to make your voice more melodic. Speak Easy is currently out on Amazon, Gumroad, and Audible. I'm going to drop all the links in the description box right on below, or you can go straight to ArmaniTalks.com and grab your copy today. Thank you very much for joining the Armani Talks podcast, and I'll catch you next time.